Okay, what's up guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Fladian Artorius frees more crypto fund over money laundering allegation. Indian decorate of Air Force 7 froze 46 million in the account of false Indian branch until the ancients can account for the criminal purpose treasured out the country. India director of enforcement announced Friday that it's frozen the financial account of Bangalore-based financial service company Yellow Tan Technologies, some of which were held by Flipkart Crypto and changed to Indian branch of Singapore Wallet. The move is linked to ongoing investigation in the money laundering by China-linked instant loan companies. This is the second time this week the agency has taken action the crypto spurred in connection with that case. The financial watchdog announced it was raising Yellow Tan, Bangladesh's payment gateway, and balances in the Flipkart cryptocurrency exchange for a total of 3 billion rupees. And the financial watchdog announced it was raising Yellow Tan, a bank balance payment gateway, balances in the Flipkart cryptocurrency exchange for a total of 3 billion rupees. Rupees are 46 million after determining that the company was self-entity imported by two Chinese nationals using Pondicherry. According newspaper account, the ED spent their days searching premises associated with Zero Tons. The ED once suffered 23 entities that had deposited funds into Yellow Tan Flipkart while they were further treasured out the country. The AD was sharply critical of Flipkart heading on the fund. The agency said, lacks KYC, EU consumer norms, regulation control, allowing transfer or fragmentation wallet without asking any reason, declaration, non-recording of transaction of blockchain to save costs. APZ has assured the Flipkart is not able to give any account for missing crypto asset in the matter, nor seeks ever to trace their crypto asset. Citing India prevention of money laundering ACT of 2002 and ED froze funds in the Flipkart account equivalent to the sum transferred from Yellow Tan wallet to Froggy wallet. The till complete fund trial in private to be crypto and changed to AD. To call to for nothing but process crime derived from predators lending practice, the attackman, the Flipkart fund, just the last bad news for Flipkart. The Singaporean exchange code is staffed by 30% is Zuni and halted with always from its account the beginning of July. Later that month, it saw protection from a creditor in Singapore was granted a 3 months moratorium, which is mirror to US Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And related to Singapore financial watchdog posted by Back Again Trend and Third IC Association. It was reported earlier this week that the AD has frozen account holding 8 million of the fund of crypto exchange Wazik and was in fact just investigating as last 9 more exchange with ties to China's backed instant loan companies. That's not in the last communique, and the investigation of that case is ongoing. Okay, maybe all Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.